Ooh, I wonder how much storage I have. Okay. We have enough. That's good stuff. Don't know why you're here. Oh no. I don't need this. Alright, whatever, fine. Is this working? Are we live yet? Are we live? It's a good question. Oh, there we go. I guess we're kind of live. Doesn't actually appear to be working, but supposedly we're alive. We're alive. Ooh. Average stream bitrate too high. Hello? Okay, so apparently we had too much bitrate. I only have 8,000. How is that too high? Kind of sounds like a you problem, Twitch. Ooh, it is not working though. I'll tell you that much. Yeah. Alright, well, it might be working, I don't know. Okay. Now I can kind of manage it on here. Okay. I can check up on it. So, hello everybody. We are back. And I'm going to add, alright, let's see. What did we do last time? So, I actually have, wanted to see if this is working. It is. Okay, cool. So I actually made it, except it's not here, which makes it kind of annoying, but that's okay. I removed the transparency for now, but I think since last time, I did actually get this thing like fully working. So I don't think it was quite working all the way before. Now it is. So yeah, that's basically what I got. And oops. I also set up the stream a little bit better so that when the application's open, it should work correctly. The only problem is I can't actually toggle it off. I just kind of like put the recording scene in here. That's not actually gonna help me a whole lot. Because I can't toggle it. Like I have to exit out of all my streaming stuff in order to turn that off. But that's okay. We'll figure it out. Okay. Next, I actually have. Oh. Okay. Anyway. So yeah, we're gonna. I mean, you could probably see. I removed transparency temporarily. I'm gonna add that back today, and then we're gonna make trees, and then we'll figure it out from there. All right. So, that's not what I wanted to do. So, transparency. Cause I removed it before because of the fact that it wasn't really properly implemented. But there we go. Okay, so now we have transparency again. We just discard the pixel, and that's good. So now we just need to make it so that all these faces that are here, they get shown. Because right now it just like kind of cuts off here. You can see underground through this leaf, and that's not good. So we're gonna need to do something about that. That's fine though. So basically, to do this, what we need to do is we need to go into the chunk class, and so we're getting the chunk. Wow, this is so inefficient. It's so crazy that any of this functions. Oh boy. I want to see like how long. There are so many optimizations I want to make, but we're gonna not go off track. Yeah, so we need a way of knowing what blocks are transparent. That's the first step. So in order to do that, we just need to do bool transparent. And then these need to have transparent equals false. Oops. Bool transparent equals false. Does that work? Bool transparent equals false. We're gonna assume that works. I don't know. Bool transparent. Bool transparent. Why? Huh. Okay. I don't know why I did it this way. This is so awful. What? Transparent. Transparent. I think that works. I don't know exactly why. Oh, you know what? Oh, sorry, guys. Here, I'll make it so you can actually see what's going on. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I don't know why it's like this. I don't know why I have these in here instead of like this sort of thing. I also don't know why this has this and this doesn't. Oh, well, yeah, I guess that makes sense because I'm using the same names, but I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, that's fine. Let's just go into blocks. Where do I have my block list? Right here. Okay. So these should all work, and then I should just be able to add true to this. And that'll work. That's good stuff. Now, if I go back into... Where do I need to go for that? World gen. Nope, just kidding. It's chunk. If I go back here again, we have the block. And then essentially so we need to check to see if the nearby blocks are transparent. So instead of just being north block is equal to 0, we instead need to actually get all these surrounding blocks, which happens here. So because that's just getting that. So const block. I don't know why this is being declared as a const. I'm gonna be honest. Blocks chunk data. Like, I don't think it really works that way. I guess it has to be for that to happen. I might have to look into that. We're gonna do north block. North block type, I guess. I don't know. This is really unorganized. We can fix that then. And this is just north block. So if north block type dot transparent. Sorry, that's right. If it is transparent, because air is transparent, which we should probably put that here. True. Ooh, I don't know where that error came from. This line was red. I added true to the error, and it's not red anymore. I'm not going to question it. We're just going to roll with it. So that is exactly one face, but that should actually fix one of the issues anyway. Oh no. It did not quite fix the issue. Huh. Alright, so not quite sure what is going on here. You know, we're gonna try that again. North block type transparent. These are all... Why are you giving me an error? Is it expecting all of these? Did this not work or something? if I do false on all these, man, it really doesn't know what's going on, or does it? It's like, give me so many errors. And the errors disappear. Uh-oh. Alright, we're gonna try deleting this x64 folder again. And if this works, then that is a bit of a problem. Alright, it did work. I mean, the blocks aren't working, but you know what I mean. Huh. Now what's going on here? Whoa. Whoa, what in the world? There are like whole chunks that every north face is showing. Oh, there's another one. Oh, and some more, but this one, it's not the entire one, but it's like most of it. That looks kind of cool though. We should probably figure out why this is happening. So we shouldn't need any of this, so I'm just gonna get rid of it all. Alright, because if we do this, it's gonna say, well, it should tell me this equal, what? Never mind, this is not even remotely helpful. Vector. Why is it just telling me about vectors? I'm trying to make blocks. I don't get it. Alright, whatever. Okay, so clearly this did not work very well. So, because if we do like south block is equal to 0. So if it is transparent, if the block type is transparent, north block type, it's getting, oh, because we're doing chunk block north, that's why. Yep, that would do it. So, yeah, so we were like getting the north block, whatever this is, that was the index of the chunk data instead of getting the actual north block. So yeah, that would definitely break it, that's for sure. Alright. Okay, there we go. Alright, so now we should see that these guys actually get faces. Well, the leaves got faces. The logs, oh, well. Well, let's make the trees actually look good first. Here, you know what? Tell you what. Let's make the... Whatever. Let's do this for now. We'll just bring this back to the way it was before. And then... What I want to do is I want to change this. This should be in world gen. Okay, so surface settings or settings, surface features. Here we go. I think I can declare some of these to be static. I think. And I should then be able to do that for these as well. And these. Cool. Yeah, because that's just size of stuff. And that would go for this as well then. I don't know why we have like OR settings. The OR settings is up there. Init noise settings. Why do we have a comment that says init noise settings all the way up here? This should be over here. And that should be with that. That's static, that's static, that's static, that's static. Okay. That should make a very mild improvement to the performance. Or to this generation speed, I guess. Probably not really gonna notice it though. Okay. So, moving on. If we go here, tree survey. Oh man, this is so atrocious. Okay. 1, 2. No. So 3, 4. So we want 4 logs, and then there'd be 2 above it, and these would come down 1 more. Because trees in Minecraft, alright, I'm trying to go off of that. But trying to remember what they like look like off the top of my head. The other thing is, the stream died. Okay, we're back. Cool. Anyway, so, alright, yeah, the stream died. That's cool. Thank you, Twitch. I think that's actually my internet, but yeah, thank you, internet. Anyway, the other thing I just realized is that this is a 2D array, and we're trying to represent a 3D object. So I can't just like make a shape in 2D and expect it to magically be 3D, but that is apparently what I was doing before. So, oh no. So I just increased the height by 1, right? So if I just do 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This should give me at least like something. Oh, I need to do the yeah, that's not gonna work. I forgot to do these too. And then one of these needs to be true as well. Alright, and then there we go. Alright, so now it should work again. Yeah, okay, so this didn't quite do what I wanted it to do. Of course it didn't. Because I'm an idiot. So yeah. It did make an L. Oh no. Okay, so this is where things get a little bit complicated, because it's not as simple as just like a 3. It's not 2D. So how are we doing this then? So I guess it was like, how was I doing this? What is the loop doing? I haven't worked on this project in such a long time because I got sick. So let's see here. If not block set. No, so we're looping through, not the chunk size. No, that's already, wait, yeah, we're like way off. Okay. Surface feature. Yeah, so that's checking for the surface feature. And then we go X, Y, and then Z. X, Y, and then Z. So this is 1 layer. This is 1 layer. And then, so this is like, each one of these is like a complete X, right? And then this direction is Y, and this direction is Z. This is really annoying to try and do. So in that case, So that makes sense then why this would be like this, because we would want the middle one to be, no, not 9, 0 for each of these. So then that would look like a cross. Look at that. It's beautiful. That's like a little plus sign at the top of the tree. That's what you'd expect from a Minecraft tree. And we need to make this a little bit bigger. So this needs to be, I think, 5 by 5. That's a problem. Oops. Why are you doing that? Nope. Yeah, so that is a problem. Right now, what we've just done is if we do 4, 7, 3, then we just... Nope, that's not what we did apparently. Because... Then we have to do the same thing here. Why do it like this? What in the world was I thinking? Alright, there we go. Now it's actually correct. So if we copy this, so now we've just made 4 block trees on the x-axis. Oh, now we really made a cross. Look at that. Right? Is this x? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, that's x-axis. I'm pretty sure. Something like that. So now that's going once more. Oh boy. Then we need another one on the other side. I guess it doesn't really matter if I get this exactly right, like, because of the fact that... No, that didn't work at all, though. Oh, because I didn't increase the size of it at all. And also, I should probably stop it from crashing. Okay, so now if we do 5... So, now we have it like that, except I think the offset's wrong now. -1, this needs to be -2. I think that looks about correct. I think to test this, though, I'm going to need another feature. Test. And this is just going to be a singular block, and it's going to be whatever 4 is. It's going to have the same noise settings, and it's going to be true. It's going to be 1 by 1 by 1 with an offset of 0, 0, 0. And now we should see that every tree has one of those below it. Yeah, look at that. So that's a log. So yeah, we do have the correct positions for these things. So now we can comment that out. That was just a little test there. And then, yes, we have the offset correct now. So we just need to, well, first of all, we don't want that actually on the ends here. Then the other thing that we need to do is we need every single one of these to be kind of like this, and then this needs to be 5 and another -2, and I'll just activate the test again. So I can make sure I have the offsets correct. No, I got something wrong. Once again. Yeah, so we're going to need to make a better system doing this, because this is atrocious. Okay, so it looks like the offset's still correct, and now we've got like this like double plus sign thing. I don't look too far into that. Yeah, but it does appear to be functioning. Alright, so we need to stop whatever that is from happening, because really this should be the middle here, and nothing else should be there. I kind of did this in the wrong place. So if we do that, that should give us just across the middle again. Nope. Okay. 5, 5. 5, 5, 0, 0. Why? 55555. Oh, because these need to be zeros too. See, this is my problem. Is that this is like we're trying to represent 3D in 2D, which was that was quite a sentence, but it doesn't really work that way. All right, what do Minecraft trees look like? I didn't think I was gonna have to do this. I thought I would remember it well enough, but apparently not. So, hello, Minecraft. All right, never mind. I guess Minecraft doesn't want to open. But I think that these should be 0. Oh, wait, there we go. There's Minecraft. Uh-oh. I think that's technically good, better, or something. Yeah, that's cool. Alright. So Minecraft's loading. Why is it taking so long to load the Minecraft launcher? I just want to know what trees look like. Okay, so that's like 2 of these things, right? And I'm guessing that... Man, that's crazy. It's just not working. Is the game already running? No, it's not already running. Uh-oh. That's not what I wanted to do. Alright. See, this is why I am making Minecraft, because nothing's working. Yeah, there's Minecraft launcher is apparently open, but it's obviously not working. Alright, whatever. And then it's because okay, so this is where things get complicated, because I think these need to be zeros then. And then these need to be zeros. And then that should give me what I want. No, it's not going to give me what I want, but it'll probably give me something closer to what I want. Yeah, so then those need to be zeros as well. Basically just... Ooh, wait, what is this? Wait, what needs to be a 0? This is hurting my brain. What are these blocks? Why does it keep opening multiple Minecraft launchers? And then the other one just like fails. Like there's another one open on this screen. 2 of these things open. This one's just not loading though. And the other one just tells me no. I don't know what's going on. That's okay, I guess. And then are these it? Yeah, these are it. So those need to be zeros as well. Okay. Man, what in the world? Microsoft login. I just wanna open Minecraft. I think I have it. I just want to confirm. I think this is like pretty much correct. And then like some of the corners should probably be hidden, right? So we just like set some of these corners. These should be corners. Yeah, we'll do the opposing corners though. Something like that. I guess I just have to look up a picture of a Minecraft tree. Minecraft tree. I guess I probably should have specified what kind of tree, because these are oak trees that we're making here. Ooh, you see, I wasn't correct. I think my internet's just not working. I think that is why everything is broken. Yeah, I can't even load a picture of a Minecraft tree. That is really cool. Oh, wait a minute. Here, this is what... Oh, I don't really want to go to fandom. Well, that's just gonna make it... Like, it's never gonna load on fandom, because it's gonna try to load all the ads. Can I find... And somehow it opened twice as well. Oh boy. Hello? Like, I would like to just... I just want to, like... Yeah, so this is just not working. Okay. Cool. Well... I just go to... I just need to see a tree. Look, I know it's like somewhat random. I just want to see what it looks like. But I can't... I literally cannot open Minecraft. Can I open Minecraft Bedrock Edition? We can open Bedrock Edition. We just can't open... That's awesome. I can literally... Alright, I guess, you know what? Bedrock Edition for the win, I guess. Yeah, thanks, Minecraft Launcher. You're so fantastic. Okay, whatever. You know what? At least we get into Minecraft. It's not the Minecraft I wanted to get into, but it's the Minecraft I got into, so... You know? That'll happen sometimes. It's just not working. It's just not loading, though. This is why we can't have nice things. Oh, because something is using up 96% of my memory. It's Google Chrome. That's why it's not working, is because Google Chrome is using up like all of my memory. That and Visual Studio. Believe it or not, Visual Studio is quite a memory hog, apparently. I'm gonna close Visual Studio. I need to get into the game. Let me play Minecraft. Oh my word. Why? What is happening right now? Like, they can't... Alright, let me try this again. Can I get into a single game of Minecraft? I just need to play Minecraft. Create new. We're even gonna do a super flat world. We're gonna make it like easy. Flat world, create. This should take no time at all to load. Maybe. What is it doing? Like, I don't get it. What? Okay, I'm assuming that's intentional. You don't just accidentally add that. Yeah. I guess we're on our own here. I don't know why I can't get into Minecraft. I didn't think that was gonna be a problem this stream. Well, anyway. I think it's actually more like this, though. I don't know why. Like, my computer's just not working because like the stream is having issues, the internet's having issues, and I can't get into either version of Minecraft. I think it's supposed to be more like this, though. This is a Minecraft tree, right? Hmm. Well, it's something. It's a tree of some sort. It's fine. It'll work. Okay. So we got all the right blocks being replaced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first 5 need to be replaced. That means this needs to be replaced too. And there we go. Okay, so this should all be working now. We can get rid of this test now again, because it's working. We don't need to test it anymore. And then... I think the stream's going to cut out again soon. I don't know why my internet sucks so bad. Whatever. The progress bar ticked up slightly. Oh no. What do you mean? Check your internet connection. It's a single player world. Okay. Bro. This is a disaster. Whatever. Alright, well, I don't know if anybody is able to watch the stream, but... It's, we got the tree now. I don't know what to say at this point. Alright, so moving on. Now we need to make it transparent again. So we'll just do that. Oops. We have trees, and if you look at it from this angle, it looks pretty good actually. Look at that. It's a nice tree. We got the log here. It's showing. It's nice. I like it. If you look at it from any other angle though, it doesn't quite work. So we're gonna need to fix that. And this is relatively simple because we pretty much already have it. It's not here though. This it's here. So we need to do this whole spiel for everything. South block type, south block, and then we need to do south block type transparent. Boop. 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 And that's all of them. Okay. So we need west block here. And then we need east block here. Transparent. And then we need bottom block. Bottom block. And this is bottom as well. Bottom block type. Transparent. And then we have top. name this top, 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 top. Nope. Too many tops. Okay, so now it should work on all sides. Every face should be rendering correctly. Look at that. Trees are working. Beautiful. Look at that. Transparency is like actually properly implemented. That's pretty cool. I gotta say, so now we just gotta fix the noise settings. I guess. But the trees are working, and that makes me happy. Okay. Okay, so noise settings. Or wait, yeah. Noise settings for trees. So basically, I think in order to do this, what we need to do is just change the noise so that it has a very high frequency. What order is this supposed to be in? Frequency and then amplitude. Okay. So if we do like a frequency of 5.23, for instance, then we'll see a lot more trees, but we shouldn't see trees that are all like right next to each other. And that you do in fact see. You still have some here and there. But it becomes a lot less common. Maybe it would help if we lowered it a little bit. I was just kidding. That somehow made even more trees. There's a lot of trees. So you also have problems like this. But I don't know what to do about that, to be honest. I love the floating tree. Oh, it's beautiful. If we made it 2, what would that do? Oh boy. If we made it some like ridiculous value, like 235, this might kind of just break everything, but actually, well, I'd imagine you get diminishing returns after a while, to be fair. We'll set it to like 4.23 maybe? I think that's fine for now. So we have like a crap ton of trees. We can make it better later. I'm happy with that. What else? What other settings do we have that we can play around with? Float chance. Oh, we have chance. Wait, what? Chance. Oh. Oh. So if we set this to 0.9f, then we should see less trees. That, or I guess we'll just see no trees. Cool. 0.8f. So I should still see trees, but they should be a little bit less frequent. Yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. Alright, cool. That's working. So the next thing that I wanted to add, now that we have all that done, yes, wow, that was great. I want to add grass, like tall grass. Why do I have this? We don't really need this. And we don't need this one either. Okay. And actually, I guess what I have now. Hold on, if we go to assets, sprites, no, it's not going to be there, I guess. Hey, Photoshop. Look at that. We got Photoshop. Remove background is an option. Not really sure why. I'm not gonna question it. Alright, so now if we do percent updated percent Minecraft, we'll do not now. That's fine. Where's versions? What is this? Whoa. Alright, we just need to grab this texture from in here. Block, and then we need grass. That's the one. Hello, copy. Why is this? Why is it like fake transparency? Why is it locked? Oops. I'm like not able to modify this at all. Yeah, it has like this fake transparency for some reason. Convert image to RGB color mode. What is it right now? Quick export. This PNG, that's not helpful. Convert image to RGB color mode. How? What is it right now? Like, why is it broken? I don't get it. Image. RGB color. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna question it. It's working now. There you go. Okay. So we have grass in there and we're gonna need to do... no, not that. This guy. We don't need a stroke. We do need a green. That is that is red. Green. Then we can do a little bit of that. Cool. And then this thing can be multiply. And we just need to get rid of what other thing is going to do here. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I'll just do multiply. Alright, so we do this, and then we do select pixels. Mask. Okay. That's it. Just gotta export that. Save as. Nope. Export as PNG. That's not the right location in the slightest. Block map.png. Okay. That's good. That's all I wanted for now. Cool. I like how this doesn't ever work correctly. Alright, so now in blocks, we can add a new block. Alright, none of this is like lined up anymore because I messed it all up. Block. We gotta figure that out. This is 0, 1. So from 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and then to nope. To 0, 1, 2, 3. True. Grass. Okay. And then we can add that there. And so now we're probably going to fix something here because it's all probably going to break. But if we then, we can actually just, here, this is a cool thing. Ready? Grass. This is a 1 and a 4, right? And then true, false, or actually both of these can just be false, I guess. 1, 1, no, this is a y of 2, 0 offset. Let's do it. Yeah, it wasn't the right block, actually. Top of that, this could be like 3.65 frequency. Alright. This is supposed to be 6 because this is like tall grass here. Look at that. I mean, this it's definitely not the correct. It doesn't look right, but it is there. We have tall grass. We're gonna need to make this significantly more common though. 0.3. So now there'll be a lot of tall grass. It's everywhere. It looks like the color is not even remotely close to the grass color, and so it's oh boy. Looks more like seagrass. We're gonna have to figure that out eventually, but that's okay. We'll make it a little bit less common than that. How about that? I'd say that's pretty decent. So I just need to make it correct. So this is gonna be like a different type of rendering now. So what we're gonna need to do is go into here. We need like a whole new block type. Now, not only do we need transparent, but we need billboard because these are billboard blocks. So we need to do transparent equals false. Bool billboard equals false. And then we can add that to block.ccp or CPP. Boop and boop. All right, and then we could do billboard. Cool. So in here, this needs to be billboard. Cool. All right, so now in chunk over here, if it is a billboard block, it's gonna need to work completely differently. So like basically, if it is a billboard block, billboard, if block billboard, else. There we go. It's a completely different block if it's a billboard block, basically. So, and it doesn't really matter if the blocks around, but like the blocks around it don't matter. So really, all we need to do is push some vertices here, because we have a vertex right here. So this creates one face, except this isn't right. 1, 1. This needs to go from one corner to the opposite corner. So like this, for example. Kind of feel like that isn't gonna work. Oh no. We're rendering one face. It was the wrong axis to rotate. Zero, 1. What is this gonna do? Huh. So I wasn't quite right either, but that definitely looks interesting. Okay. We need to think about this for a moment, okay? Because it needs to go from one side to the other, which means it does need to go... I think it needs to go 1 and 1 on this axis. There we go. It's wide, very wide. It's a little too wide. But that's an improvement. Okay. Push back. So... This needs to be... This needs to be something where, Man, I didn't think this would come up. But we have to do math. Namely, vector math. Because these need to be normalized. Okay. So, in that case... Because these are wide. These are too wide. These are wider than they need to be. So we're gonna need to pull out our handy dandy calculator. Just kidding. We're gonna do like Desmo's calculator. We don't actually need a graphing calculator. We just need a scientific one. So we need the length of... Yeah, we need the magnitude. Because this is like a vector of 1 and 1, right? So then we get the magnitude, so we just need to do boop, boop. 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 to the power of 2 is that number, 1.4. So I can zoom in on this. And then now that we have that, we can then divide 1 by 1.41421356. We get about 0.71. We copy this first formula over. 0.71. 0.71, we get about 4. If we do 0.07 and 0.07, we get significantly closer to 1. So we'll do like this number here. Well, that's going to be a problem. Yeah. Okay, well, that is a rough one. That's for sure. it's gonna look wide. Because all this is, these are all chars. These aren't floats. And that is a shame. Okay, so I guess, in here, these can no longer be chars, just now need to be floats. Let's hope that doesn't create too many issues here, but it will create an issue here. This needs to be GL float. Alright, so that's definitely better. Still not quite correct though. And that is a shame that we had to undo our wonderful little thing there. Optimization. Okay. That's okay. That's not what I wanted. Does this work? Oh, of course it doesn't work. Well, now they're invisible. Cool. So, if we look here, we can clearly see that that's starting at 0 and going there. So this needs to be scale. Actually, no, this is correctly scaled, isn't it? Yeah, it's correctly scaled. We need to divide this number in 2. .7071 divided by 2 is 35355. These are normally, yeah, so, oops. That's not helpful. Alright, let me, okay, so these are the numbers we have to use then, I think. Could we just, no. So, this would be, that is extraordinarily infuriating. The thing closes if you focus on a different window. So if we do 64645 for each of these, I don't know where the F went on that one, and then a 0.35355F for each of these, then it should be centered. Centered and scaled correct. Oh, nope. They're not scaled correct. Alright. Hmm. Well, yeah, I guess that makes sense, right? Because if we add these up, 0.35355 plus 0.64645, that equals 1, which first of all is not even correct. And then, yeah, so this is like, okay, so we'll do plus 0 for now. And plus 0.7071. I don't know why I'm bad at math today. Because this is the correct scaling and everything, right? But it isn't the correct anything else, so I need to fix that issue. Not the correct position, not quite. But now this starts from that corner. Which direction do we start in anyway? This is north. Oh my. Okay. Because the lighting isn't correct either. But let's get the position right first. So this needs to be moved this way. We have an offset. 0.7, so 1 minus 0.7071 is 0.2929. If we divide minus, no, sorry, the other way around, 1 minus 0.2929, oh, sorry, if we divide 0.929 by 2, and do 1, and then we do 0.7071 minus that number. We get 0.56. Add that to that earlier number there. And we get the right number. Okay, so that should be it. And that'll center, right? Maybe, perhaps. We'll see. I also like how I'm making these doubles instead of making them correct. Okay. So now if we do, so this ends up at 0.56065 F. And it starts at 0.14645 F. Well, obviously that wasn't gonna work. The magnitude actually needs to be 1. What am I even talking about? 14645. 0.85. Why am I like this? A 5355. Okay, let's try this. I don't think it's quite correct. Um, 0.85355 minus 0.14645. Sorry, 0.85355 plus 0.14645. It does equal 1. Grab Desmos here. So if we do, actually that's fine. So if we do 0.85355 minus 0.14645, we get that. And then if we do 0.7071, square that, plus 0.7071, square that, and we get just about 1. I guess it's about right. Sure, somebody will figure it out in the comments or something. Who knows? Alright, and then after we do that, then we need to do, 3 more of these. Because there's a whole bunch of different directions that this needs to go in. So the first one is just literally the opposite of this one. So that it displays on both sides. Look at that. And then the reason why we have to do this instead of just displaying like double-sided is because different lighting. So then we need to make it like the other side of the billboard. So for this to work, I think we kind of just need to reverse just like one of these. Look at that. That's starting to look more like grass blocks. And then to do that, we of course just need to reverse the rest of these. And then that should work. Beautiful. Okay, so that's grass blocks properly implemented. Besides the lighting, of course. That is pretty cool. And with that, we just need to make the lighting correct. So right now we have 5 different lightings, but we're actually going to do 6. 6, 6, 6. Okay, 7. Wait, what am I doing? 7. Nope. 8. 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then in the vertex shader, we have, oh my. What was I thinking? Okay. 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. And it looks like, okay. So that's going to be some sort of lighting. Uh-oh. Too much data in type constructor. What? Oh. Why am I doing that? Oh my. Alright, so now it's like a very bright green. Huh. I do almost feel like it's better with the uniform lighting though. Like instead of having Well, I guess I could just try it with a different lighting. I didn't actually like try it without it. Is this normalizing in the vertex shader? Normal. Normal? No, it's not. So I'm actually, I expected myself to normalize it, basically. So I guess I'll do that. Well, in that case, this is all 0, 0, 0. Once again, I did this very inefficiently. I don't know why. So now it just doesn't have anything here. Ooh. That's fancy. Can fix 5. That one is supposed to have things. Okay. And then, I guess what we can do, 6. So, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These things go from, whoa, what the heck? Oh, it's just like white before you actually place. I don't think breakpoints work in shaders. Not quite. Alright, back here. So this one is going from 0. It's going from one corner to another corner, obviously. But which corner? And it looks like it's going from kind of like the top, so like the first corner. So 1, 1 down to 0, 0. 1, 1 to 0, 0. So 1, 1 to 0, 0. That would be, I don't like, this is 1, 0, 1, 0. So this would be a north. I think a northeast. Northeast. So that'd be 1. Because north is there. Is it east-west or is it west-east? West is 2 and east is 3. So that'd be a negative here. Negative here, positive here. Alright. And then the other one's just the opposite of that. So it'd be 1. Oops. Oh, okay. Negative 1. They all look the same. Negative 1. I don't know what's going on anymore. Okay. Alright. So I kind of agree with my earlier assessment that it would look better if they were uniform. So we're gonna do that. It's just all gonna be 6. With that little change, they are incredibly dark because they have no direction. So we're gonna just say that they are basically top blocks. In fact, we can actually just give them top block status, I guess. I guess we'll keep it separate. Why not? We have the space for it. I think 4 is top. Maybe it's not. Maybe 5 is top. That's looking about right. Okay, so now the color is like completely different than the actual like grass blocks, so I feel as though we're gonna need to do something about that. Okay. Is there a way that I can get like just the highest one? Well, that didn't seem to work all that well. It's in the way. I can't select it because the stupid thing. I move this around and then select it. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna do that, which does of course mean that we need to get the grass in here again and just kind of replace that. So that's good. This can be multiply, and that's not gonna work. Mask that. Oops, and then nope, that's too green. I think that's pretty decent. It's like around the same color. Export this. Quick export as PNG. Right here. And now the colors should be much closer. That's good. I like that. Look at that. We got grass now. Alright, cool. I would actually like to kind of save this in here. Alright. Because I want to grab tall grass. Tall grass bottom. Tall grass top. Nope. Good stuff. And then we're going to need to copy this. Oops. Delete layer mask. Why are you scaling proportionally? I didn't ask you to do that. Oh. Why is this so difficult? I don't remember it being this hard. Okay. Alright, so we need to select pixels. Really? No. Okay, and then select pixels. And then add, no. Select pixels. I guess I could do that, and then delete the layer mask. And then add it back again. Okay, that's good. And quick export. It's PNG. Do that, and now back in Visual Studio. We can go to block. Where is it? Here it is. And then we could do tall grass bottom, tall grass top. Grass bottom, top. And this is 7, 8. Alright, now I'm just gonna kind of count these out here. So this all starts at 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3, 3 to 4, 4. And this one starts at 0. And this one starts at 1. And this one goes to 1. And this one goes to 2. So that's our tall grass. And then in chunk here, no, sorry, in world gen here, you can do tall grass. And this is offset, right? And then amplitude offset. And we got chance, block, and max height. Alright, cool. So this is 7 and 8. False, false, false. 3. Okay. So now we should get taller grass as well. Look at that. We got grass and we got tall grass. This is an issue, but we'll get to that, I guess. Also, I thought that if we go to blocks, no, 2 is 2 is that. Okay, so there we go. At the very least, we'll have that now. And then another thing I want to add to these things is flowers. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Flower. See, that's not going to work. Poppy. We can do poppy. I don't know what other flowers are in the game. There's orange tulips. What other tulips are there? Uh-oh. There are more tulips. I don't know. See, I guess I'll do a white tulip. You know, there used to be a yellow flower. I I think I remember it not existing anymore. So like there was just like the classic the rose and whatever the yellow flower was called. It was like a dandelion or something, I don't know. But I don't think it's there anymore. No idea what it was replaced with. Cause isn't there still a yellow flower? Maybe there's not. Oh, we're sorting. What is this sorting by? Sort by name. Yellow candle, yellow, yellow. No, there's no yellow. The other way. Okay. I'm not gonna question it. We have the white tulip, and we don't have to recolor these, which is fantastic. We've got the pink tulip. We've got the poppy. And we've got the orange tulip. Uh-oh. Cool. That's all the tulips. Now we can export this. Bring this over here. Oh yeah, all the flowers, I should say. There's more than just tulips here. And then if we go to, where are we going? Blocks. Rows. Rows starts at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. And starts at 0, 3, and then 1, 4. And this is a poppy, not a rose. I'm an idiot. And we got like 3 different tulips. We got the white tulip. We got the pink tulip. And we've got the orange tulip. Cool. And then the poppy here. Nope, sorry. The white tulip is at 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. And the pink tulip's right next to it, so it's at 3. And then these are both at 0, 1, 2. So this would be 3 and 4. And this would be 3 and 3. Then this thing starts at 1, 3, 2, 4. Cool. Alright, so that's all of those, and then I guess we should probably do poppy. Is that 9? We got white tulip at 10. And we got the pink tulip. No, that's not gonna work, is it? Pink and orange at 11 and 12. Okay. So that's all the tulips. And yeah, that's all the flowers, I should say. And now if we go to noise settings, no, we're gonna go to World Gen here. These have the same frequencies and different offsets. We're gonna do, yeah, actually, you know what? I kind of want to do, I'm gonna make this like a lower offset. Have a higher chance so that it'll kind of be in clusters a little bit. No, I don't think that's gonna work actually. And I'll have this at like lower everything, different thing, and then like a slightly higher, I guess lower chance, whatever. Poppy. Then we have a poppy. This is just a height of 2. This is because this is going to be 9. 2. Alright, this is 9. Blocks. Poppy is 9, yes. Alright, and with that, 1.23 we're gonna make this a nice little 5.32f, offset of 3.67, chance of 0.8. Then we could do a white tulip. It's just a different offset. Maybe like a slightly different frequency. Pink tulip. That's supposed to be 4. And then finally we have the orange tulip. This is going to be at 6.32. And this is going to be that. Okay. And then poppy, white tulip, pink tulip, orange tulip. Okay. So this should give us a whole bunch of... Did not... Oh no. What did I do wrong? Blocks. Yeah, it ends at 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that should be working. Noise settings. Okay, so world gen back here. Tall grass height of 3. All these have the right height. They all have the right numbers of truths and falses. We remove all of these. Does it work? Yes, it does. If we remove orange, does it work? No. Vector line 1900. That doesn't help me at all. Vector subscript out of range. Okay. So somewhere in here, we have a vector that's out of range, which is extraordinarily unfortunate. 212, 211, 210, 29. Great. None of this should be affecting anything. None of like the offsets or anything. Does it work with the poppy? No. Does it work without the poppy? No. It doesn't work with any of the flowers. Oh. That works. Okay. So now we have flowers. Look at that. Yeah, I mean, okay, so besides the floating blocks, I think this is working pretty well. Look at that. We got all the flowers and the trees and everything is pretty good. Tall grass, flowers, trees. I'm happy with that. That's good stuff. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna leave it there for this stream because I think that's a good place to end. So, thank you guys for watching. I will see you all next time, I guess. So, yeah. That's all I have. Goodbye.